discovering the nature of Ciociaria, forests, undergrowth, small fruits, and biodiversity in the municipalities of LAG Terre di Argil. Welcome to this immersive journey through the forests and breathtaking landscapes of Ciociaria, a land rich in history, traditions, and remarkable biodiversity. Today, we will explore an extraordinary natural area within the municipalities of LAG Terre di Argil, Arce, Arnara, Castro dei Volsci, Ceprano, Colfelice, Fontana Liri, Pastena, Pofi, Rocca di Arce, Santopadre, and Torrice. This territory, characterized by its hilly and mountainous geography, is home to an incredibly diverse flora and fauna, ready to captivate and amaze anyone who ventures into its depths. The forests of Ciociaria, a natural treasure. The forest is the heart of these lands, a natural resource that has shaped their history. In the municipalities of Arce and Rocca di Arce, forests of beech, oak, and chestnut create stunning landscapes where biodiversity flourishes in all its richness. The surrounding mountainous areas are covered by vast woodlands, acting as a green lung that enhances air quality and protects the soil. Every tree and plant plays a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. The beech tree, with its dense foliage, is one of the most emblematic species, providing cool shade and an ideal habitat for many organisms. Chestnut trees, with their autumn fruits, not only enhance the landscape's beauty but also serve as a crucial food source for both wildlife and humans. Meanwhile, the oak tree, a symbol of strength and longevity, stands as an undeniable protagonist of these lands, offering shelter and sustenance to local fauna such as deer, wild boars, and roe deer. The understory, a microcosm of life. Walking through the forests of Ciociaria, one cannot help but notice the understory, a hidden world beneath the canopy that is often even richer and more fascinating than the forest itself. In the municipality of Castro dei Volsci, for example, the understory is a true secret garden, filled with a multitude of herbaceous plants and shrubs. Among them, one can find species such as the spring starflower, which blooms in March, and ivy, which climbs trees, forming a green tapestry. The understory is also a vital ecosystem for local wildlife. Numerous insects, small mammals, and birds seek refuge here, feeding on seeds, berries, and leaves. The importance of this habitat is also evident in the rich variety of mushrooms, including porcini, honey mushrooms, and chanterelles, which emerge in autumn, adding vibrant colors and distinctive fragrances to the landscape. Small fruits, hidden treasures of Ciociarian forests. Another natural wonder of Ciociaria is its abundance of small wild fruits, found in the forests and mountain meadows. The woodlands of Ceprano and Fontana Liri, for example, are home to a wealth of small fruits that, in addition to contributing to biodiversity, provide an essential food source for both wildlife and humans. Blackberries, raspberries, wild strawberries, and hazelnuts are just some of the delicacies that can be gathered while walking through these enchanting forests. Rich in vitamins and minerals, these fruits have long been an important resource for local communities, who have developed ways to use them for both culinary and medicinal purposes. The harvesting of these small fruits has become a cherished tradition, renewed each year, highlighting their significance in local culture. Biodiversity, a delicate balance to preserve. The municipalities of LAG Terre di Argil showcase an exceptional level of biodiversity, where a variety of plant and animal species contribute to a natural equilibrium essential for the health of the entire ecosystem. In forests and meadows, towering trees such as beech and chestnut coexist with herbaceous plants and shrubs, creating a fragile yet thriving balance that supports countless living beings. The presence of small plants like clover and verbena, along with wildflowers, enriches the landscape and attracts numerous pollinating insects. In the forests of Pastena, biodiversity is truly remarkable, with rare species such as the wild orchid flourishing in spring, adding bursts of color to the lush greenery. Furthermore, the local fauna plays a crucial role in maintaining this biodiversity. In addition to wild boars and roe deer, the area is home to the elusive Apennine wolf, a protected species that, despite its secretive nature, roams these lands. Birds such as the great spotted woodpecker and the Eurasian jay add their melodies to the forest's vibrant soundscape. The flora of Ciociaria, a mosaic of plant life. The flora of Ciociaria is a mosaic of plant species that vary according to altitude and exposure to sunlight. In the lower altitude areas, such as Pofi and Torrice, plants adapted to warm and dry soils thrive, including rosemary, lavender, and thyme, aromatic herbs that enrich both the landscape and local cuisine. As elevation increases, the vegetation changes, transitioning from drought-resistant plants to typical mountain forest species such as beech, fir, and pine. In the municipality of Santopadre, for instance, one can find an environment perfectly suited for lilacs and other flowering plants that embellish the scenery with vibrant colors and enchanting fragrances. Here, flora is not only an element of beauty but also a valuable resource that has been used for centuries in folk medicine, thanks to the healing properties of many of these plants. Conclusion: a natural heritage to protect. The territories of the LAG Terre di Argil municipalities represent a unique natural heritage, rich in forests, understory ecosystems, small fruits, biodiversity, and flora that deserve to be preserved and valued. Every walk through these woodlands unveils the extraordinary wealth of an ecosystem that continues to thrive thanks to the dedication of those who care for it daily. A journey through these lands is a journey into the heart of nature, a rediscovery of our deepest roots, and an invitation to respect and protect the biodiversity that makes Ciociaria's landscape so unique. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. We encourage you to continue discovering the beauty and richness of these extraordinary places, where every corner holds a treasure worth safeguarding for future generations.